Hey, what's up coin fam? In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 rare dimes, how much they sold for, and why they're valuable. Our first dime is sporting a unique error that you don't hear about too much. This is a 1969 Denver minted dime. You can see a line going rim to rim from the 11 o'clock position to the 5 o'clock position. If you didn't know any better, you might attribute this to PMD or post-mint damage. But this error is the result of a split die. Maybe there was a problem with how the die was created, or maybe the die was just overworked. But at some point, a crack developed over the entire diameter of the die. This dime has seen a little wear. It was submitted to Annex for grading and came back about uncirculated 58 on a scale from 1 to 70. This dime sold at auction for over $100. Next up is the 1982 No P Roosevelt Dime. This dime graded mint state 67 by NGC with an FT designation. FT stands for full torch. You might be more aware of the FB, full band designation we've discussed before. In order for an NGC dime to be designated full torch, it needs to have full bands as well as clearly defined vertical lines along the sides of the torch. It might be hard to tell by the picture, but this coin did meet those standards. This could get a little confusing. This dime was minted in Philadelphia, but it doesn't have a mint mark. Most of the time, when you don't see a mint mark, it was minted in Philadelphia, and it's not supposed to have a P mint mark. A 1982 dime is supposed to have a P mint mark if it was minted in Philadelphia. The 1982 No P dime is the first U.S. business strike coin that is missing the mint mark. The other No P dimes I've talked about in other videos were the proof dimes. There were 2 varieties of these dimes. There's a weak strike and a strong strike. This is an indication that there were at least 2 dies used to mint these dimes without a mint mark. It's estimated that there could be as many as 150,000 of these dimes out there, assuming that both dies minted about 75,000 coins each, which is the approximate lifespan of a dime die at this time. This variety was discovered in December of 1982, and most of the 1982 No P dimes discovered were found in Sandusky, Ohio. A lot of them were handed out as change at the amusement park up there. There have been only a few thousand of these found. That means there could be a whole lot more of them in circulation. You have to make searching for the 1982 No Mint Mark dime one of your coin collecting priorities. Even in lower grades, these should bring in $5 to $30 easily. This one that graded mint state 67 with a full torch sold for over $1,000. Here's our next rare dime. This is a good looking piece. It's a 1964 Denver minted Roosevelt dime, and this one is a DDR, a double die reverse. The die that was created to mint this dime shifted in between hub strikes that caused doubling of some of the features on the reverse die. Any coin struck with this reverse die should show the same doubling. This DDR was actually shown in the Cherry Picker's Guide. The doubling is most evident on the word America. You can't tell much because of the picture quality. Here's a picture of a different coin with the same error from PCGS. The doubling is much more obvious. This 1964 Denver minted Roosevelt dime graded mint state 65 and was given the DDR FS 803 designation. It sold at auction for over $2,500. Here's a silver 1956 Roosevelt dime. It's a really good looking coin, and the toning on it is cool AF. There's no toning on the back, but it does have a healthy set of FB right there. Look at those full bands. This silver dime is actually the finest graded dime for this year and mint mark that PCGS graded, and that adds to a lot of value. It came in at a mint state 68 on a scale from 1 to 70, and this silver dime brought in $9,987 at auction. We've talked about the 1982 business strike No P dime. This is the 1968 No S dime. This is different from the 1982 No P dime because this is a proof coin and it's supposed to have an S mint mark for the San Francisco Mint. Dies were created for these proof coins in Philadelphia and shipped to San Francisco to put into service. The S mint mark was inadvertently left off one of the dies intended to mint proof sets. About 24 examples of this variety have been discovered. There may be more out there, but you're not going to find them in pocket change. You have to check your 1968 proof sets. If your proof set is missing the S mint mark, boom, baby, you found one. This 1968 No S Roosevelt proof dime was graded proof 69, and it sold at auction for $40,800. If you enjoyed this video, share it on social media and send it to anyone you know that might see a dime in their lifetime. Thanks for watching.